Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. Well, I've not long got back from Skipton, Yarndale. I actually went this morning, and then this afternoon I spent the afternoon with my dad in hospital. So, what a week. I've got a lot to show you guys. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry. So I did go with plans to take photographs and do all this, but I have to admit guys, I didn't take any photographs at all. I apologise, but as you can imagine, my mind was elsewhere. I went with a shopping list and I bought everything except metal sock blockers. But I've been naughty guys, I've been naughty, but it's everything that I wanted and more. So where did I go first? I went first to Siobhan's Crafts. You know, lovely Siobhan lives about 20 minutes away from me, and I bought I got this knitting pattern, this knitted sock pattern, and I got some of the sock yarn in just plain cream. I just wanted a plain colour, so I got that. I also got some little scissors, and I need to and then I got some sock yarn to go with other sock yarn that I've got. So I've got the pink to go with a pink yarn for breast cancer awareness next month, and I got the green to go with green that I've already got, and then I got the purple as well. So I got three 50-gram skeins of yarn. Oh, and I've got the purple. Of all the colours, guys, that I've got in in skeins like this, I have no purples. Would you believe I have no purples whatsoever? And what's my favourite colour, guys? Purples. So I bought them to make myself a pair of socks. So this is called Parma Violet. This is called Lilac. This is called Moss Green. And then this is called Neon Pink. And I think the neon pink will go really nice with the sock yarn from Yarnable that I'm going to use for the socks for breast cancer awareness for next month. I'm going to do a couple of pink projects next month. So there, I went to Siobhan's Crafts twice, guys. So this is, I bought this. So they're from Siobhan's. Then I went to Black Sheep Yarns and I bought some West Yorkshire Spinner sock for Christmas. These are going to be my Christmas socks. I've got, I do two pairs, so I've got this and I've got a red as well that I'm going to make Christmas socks with. And then I got the Head Over Heels by Stylecraft. This is called Promenade. And this one is called Hollyberry. Two different makes. This is West Yorkshire Spinners and this is Stylecraft. And this is, let me see, it's a 75% superwash wool, 25% polyamide, and there's 296 metres, 433 yards. Definitely, I might even get a pair of socks and a shorties out of that, and definitely the same with this. This is 75% wool, 25% nylon, 400 metres, 437 yards. It's a 100-gram ball, and it is made it contains 35% blue-faced Leicester wool. So yeah, so I got sock yarn, and we were just leaving and I spotted this bag, guys, and I just had to buy it. Caution, knitter at work. So I really, really like it. So I got one. I got a few bags, guys. And then, what else did I buy? Oh, from Siobhan Crafts, I bought this little bag. Little sock bag. Because you know I'm addicted to socks, guys. I really am addicted to socks. So that was from Siobhan's. I bought this knit journal because I'll be doing a lot more knitting next year, and it's really, really good. I've got spaces for photographs, really nice journal. The project, it says project name, and then I've got a pocket for the yarn and labels and that. So there's quite a few pages in there to get, and there's even graph paper. There's an inventory for me to say what needles I've got, and even crochet hooks too. So, and then there's all different sizes of graph paper and measurements, and there's a tension square. Look at that. Isn't that a smooth, super idea? So yeah, so there's all, even measurements. You can't go wrong with that, guys, I'm telling you. So I bought that from Siobhan's Crafts as well. And I was thinking, oh, Halloween's in October, and I've got some orange yarn, so I'm going to make myself a pair of Halloween socks. And this is called Jess, 400 metres, 85% superwash Polworth, and it's 15% nylon. So that'll make, so it's black and purple. Look at that. And I've got orange, so I thought I could do the hot orange for the cuffs and the toes. So they're all from Siobhan's Crafts. Then I went to I followed Twin Set and Pearl, Joe and Rachel. And I met Sophie, and she gave me this bag, isn't that fab? From Botanic Yarns. And I've got so many leaflets, guys, I'm telling you. And Rachel's brought out a sweater, and I bought the pack for the sweater. And yeah, and it's sparkling fountain. So I've got baby Surrey alpaca, it was 74% baby Surrey alpaca with 26% mulberry silk. And they're 50 grams, 300 meters. And then you knit the Surrey with the superwash merino and nylon. You knit them together, and she's actually sent me the PDF file, so I need to print that off, and that is one project. And then I'm doing Stephen West's, which is the whole reason I went, because I wanted to feel the yarn and that. And she'd actually put together quite a few kits. And I was thinking maybe do a purple, but when I saw this, I had to have it. I love autumnal colours, guys, and I hope you like this too. They're all superwash merinos and nylon, and this is called Rubeckia Gold Star. That's that colour. So there, that's my yarn. The other colour is called, if I can find it, that one's not got a colour. And then the botanical, so that is going to be my pop of colour. And then, so that is my yarn for my Simon West. Not I don't want to keep calling him Simon, it's Stephen West. So I had to buy a bag to go for me to keep that in. And I bought this bag. Look at all the kitties. So I bought this bag especially for my my Stephen West twists and turns, and so I'm super excited, guys. I'm super excited. So that is going to go in there, because that is, I'm already in waiting now, guys. I'm already in waiting. 6th of October it starts. I can't wait. Could crush a grape. I could crush a grape. So, oh, I bought all the little bits and pieces as well. I bought some more of these scissors. And I think I got these from... Ow. So I bought them, because I found I'm short of little scissors. And I bought myself another sock. Some more sock needles, knitting needle, circular needle, so that's for sock. And then I bought some of the cord, you know, so I can try my sweater. I've got a couple of sweaters that that are getting to here, so I need to make sure that the yoke is long enough for me to separate for the arms. So I got 2 colours, a purple and a blue, and I got some, what are these? Oh yeah, and I got some little knitting spaces, you know, for when you're knitting. So yeah, so I got them. So that's them with my botanical yarn. And then I bought myself a bag from Yarndale, and I got myself some wool and silk wash, and from the same store for, right, before I show you this yarn, I've made myself a binder for future projects. So this yarn that I've got, and I thought I want a natural coloured sweater, and this is Adventures in Yarncraft, and it's silky singles yarn. It's a finger weight, 75% superwash merino and 25% mulberry silk. And I wanted something really, I just wanted a plain sweater, guys. And the sweater that it's going to be for, let me just make sure I got this, is for, not Radiate, not Sundogs, for this sweater. So this yarn is going to be for this sweater, so I've got enough of that. No flies on me, guys, you know how organised I am. So that is that. And then I bought Beth. I met Beth from Beehive Crafts. Yeah, Beehive Yarns. And I've got enough to make a DK sweater. Which sweater is this for? This is for the Radiate sweater, which is this one. And I've gone with, this is the pop of colour, but I've gone with navy blue, guys. I know it looks black, but it's navy blue, and that pop of colour will just, and I love blue and browns together, guys. They're one of my favourites. So that's that. And I bought some sock yarn. This is called Bardo. Yeah. This is, yeah, superwash merino and nylon. So yeah, so this is for another pair of socks, and that is, where's the yarn? There we are. And then I bought another Yorkshire Spinners sock yarn. This is Tristan. This is wool and nylon mix. So yeah, so I've got plenty of sock yarn, guys. And then last but not least, I wanted for the Sundogs sweater, which is in my little folder, which is this one. It's a DK, and I bought myself from Vicky Brown Designs. I got this to make that sweater. So, and this is superwash merino and nylon, and it's called Black Currant. So that is to make that sweater. So I knew exactly what I wanted, the yardage, blah blah blah, and yep, and yeah, so I've got lots. And Rick bought me this bag, and it says, if I can't take my knitting, I'm not coming. And it's in purple, guys. So yeah, so I've got plenty of bags, plenty of yarn. So that was my trip. I will put photograph slide. I'll do a slideshow at the end, letting you know where I got all the yarn from, and then I'll put the links in the description box. I put the links to the sweaters that I'm going to use, all in the description box. So once again, I apologise for not taking photographs while I was there. It was very, very busy. When we got there, it was quiet, and then we were there for we got there about 10:15, and we left about 12:30. Half 12, 1:15, I think we left. So we were there a good couple of hours, and by the time we came to leave, it was heaving. And I met Jan Crothers as well, who's another podcaster, and it was really nice to meet Beth from Beehive Yarns, and I met Sophie, I think her name is, from Botanical Yarn as well, and I was actually recognised, guys. I was recognised a couple of times. I was recognised a couple of times. Oh, you're Linda from the podcast. And I went, oh wow. So that was lovely. I never expected that. So it was really, really nice, guys. And then obviously I went to see my dad. I had a lovely birthday yesterday, but I've done a video about that, what I got, and I got some happy mail as well. So I'll not talk about my birthday because it's in another video. But before I do go, I just want to thank everybody for all your birthday wishes, for all your prayers and everything. And this is going out on Wednesday because, as you know, I'm not doing a live on Wednesday. So I've done this video specifically to go out on Wednesday, so you don't miss me too much. But I'll be back soon, don't worry, guys. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.